So what I'm going to cover now would be rep, which means replicate elements of vector and lists. To pull up help files, just as a side note, you just put question mark and the function name and it will pull up the help file. Now rep, what it does, it replicates the value in X, so for example a vector. It is a generic function and its internal default method is described below. What we're going to look is this rep function. Now you know it's a function because it's described between parentheses, and what you can see is that we have our defined vector x, or we could put any number, and then we have this 3 dots. The 3 dots basically represent there's a space that we can fill in with other parameters. So for example, let's just do it simple. Let's say we want to replicate number 1 10 times. So what that would tell us is that give me number 1 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times number 1. We can also store value x as a few numbers, let's say 2, 4, and 6. Now we stored x as those numbers 2, 4, and 6. And we can say, okay, so now replicate x 5 times. So what do you think it would give us? What it actually done is that we have x stored as 3 values. It replicates those 3 values 5 times, sorry. So 2, 4, 6, 1 time, 2, 4, 6, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. So this is replicate x, what's our element, and how many times we want to replicate it. Now let's try another option. Let's replicate the value 1 and 2. So I concatenate them, 1 and 2, so now I'm creating 2 numbers here. And let's say I want to do it for length. And we want to set it as equal 5. So what that would give us, it gives basically just 5 values. So the length is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What it does, it circles around. So it does 1, 2, goes back to 1, 2, then goes back to 1. On the contrary, if we look at rep, again, same idea, 1, 2, but in this case, we do it 5 times. What that would give us is actually 5 times this whole vector, or if it will be a list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully this gives you a little bit better sense of replicate values, what we put, and how it's the difference if we have length or just a number on the second spot. Thank you and hope to see you again.